In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Wix in this quick tutorial. To get started, log into your Wix dashboard and make sure you're on the main account screen. Once you're there, look to the top right area of the page. You'll find the search field there, and this is the fastest way to get where you need to go without browsing through multiple menus. Click into the search field and type in Contact. As the results appear, look for the Contact List option and click on it. This will take you directly to the section where all of your saved contacts are managed. If you have customer details, subscribers, or other contact records stored in Wix, this is where you'll be able to access them. After the contact list opens, take a moment to look near the top of the page. You should see options for importing and exporting contacts. Since the goal here is to download your contact data, go ahead and click on the Export button. Once you click Export, Wix will give you a few options to help you choose exactly what you want to download. For example, you can select which contacts to export, including specific groups if you've organized your contacts that way. This is especially useful if you don't need your full list and only want to export a certain segment, like a mailing group or a specific category of users. Next, choose the file format for your export. Wix typically gives you options such as a regular CSV file, a Google CSV file, or an Outlook CSV file. The best option depends on where you plan to use the contacts next. A regular CSV file is a good general-purpose choice, while the Google or Outlook versions can make importing into those platforms a little smoother. After selecting the contacts you want and choosing the file type that fits your needs, click Export to confirm. Wix will then prepare the file for download. Depending on the size of your contact list, this may happen instantly or take a short moment. Once the file is downloaded, it's a good idea to open it and quickly check that everything looks correct. That way you can make sure the right contacts were included and that the format matches what you need before uploading it anywhere else. And that's it. That's how to export contacts from Wix quickly and easily.